Here is a quick guide on how to use my time tracker and how you can start using it too. First, download the free template using the link in the description. It's super easy and completely free. Once you've opened the file, start by writing titles, something that reflects your overall goals. Then, fill in how many hours you want to spend each week on different areas of your life, like fitness, work, family, or personal projects. I specifically use this template to track my time spent on career and personal development. That's why mine is green. But you can totally make it your own. Customize the categories to fit your life, whether that's self-care, studies, hobbies, or anything else that matters to you. If your goal is to work out 6 hours a week and you have already logged 4, you'll see that you're almost there. It's a simple way to stay motivated and adjust your plans if needed. The tracker will automatically show you how close you are to your weekly goals. I personally use this tracker alongside my weekly planning. It helps me to make sure I actually get in the hours I want to dedicate to each area. This simple system keeps me aware of where my time goes and helps me to stay focused on what matters most to me. So don't forget, download the template below, try using it while planning your week, and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.